the man, the myth, the legend.
The shipper.
The shipper. Okay, so I was just opening a couple packages and have to show you guys this. Major shout out to Bonza. You guys are my fave. Thank you so much for sending me all these goodies. This is crazy. I'm actually so excited to try this. It's their version of mac and cheese. It looks bomb. And then also this rice. I've actually never tried this flavor. It's the garlic olive oil one, which also looks so good. But yeah, major shout out to Bonza. Thank you guys so much. So sweet. Hi guys, it has been a minute since I last vlogged. It's kind of crazy. I want to say I've been home for 4-ish weeks now, but as soon as I got back to LA, we were, I guess, not put on like a full lockdown, but we're basically under stay-at-home orders right now. So I've just been home staying safe with my family, as I hope all of you guys are as well, but I haven't really been doing anything entertaining, so I just haven't really vlogged anything for you guys. I have this thing where I think I get, not nervous, I mean, yeah, I guess I get nervous that you guys aren't gonna like what I post if I'm just like at home and stuff. I know not everyone is under stay-at-home orders, but at least a lot of us are, I feel like. So I thought I would try and make some extra content for you guys and provide some entertainment. But anyways, today's Tuesday. It's around 10:30 right now. I think I'm gonna make a little bit of breakfast because I'm getting kind of hungry, and then maybe get a workout in after and start my school for the week. But yeah, so let's go make some breakfast. Just gonna toast some bread. I'm gonna put some peanut butter on top. Just put a little banana. I mean, how good does this look? Bomb. 10 out of 10. Chef vibes. I used to make this actually all the time when I was a freshman in college, and I forgot how good it was. The honey makes it 10 out of 10. Okay, hi guys. So it's a little bit later in the day since I last talked to you. I want to say it's around like 7:30-ish right now. But I actually have a workout tonight. I just made myself a coffee. I'm working out with my friend Lincoln. You guys have seen him on the vlogs a couple of times. We're gonna do a little leg booty day workout tonight.
Got some tire push. Yeah. Let's go. I need to go faster. Okay, we just finished up at the gym. That was Lincoln. Major shout out to X Action for letting us work out here. I'm dead. Whoa, that was hard. Okay, so it's obviously a new day today. It's around almost 11 o'clock right now. I'm gonna start the day off with a hike with my dad. And we're gonna get some exercise in, get some quality time together. Very cute. But then after, I really need to go Christmas shopping. It's seriously crazy that Christmas is almost basically a week away at this point when I'm at least filming this. But anyways, that's the plan today. I also really kind of want to get my nails done if I have time. That's kind of a stretch. Crossing my fingers I could do that though, at least some point in this week. But yeah, that's the plan today. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to everything I get up to, of course. We got our masks, being safe. Look how pretty it is, guys. Gorgeous day in LA. Alright, here's the little outfit of the day. I just quickly threw this on. So super comfy, casual, nothing too crazy. But these jeans I've had forever. They're from Rag & Bone. They're their boyfriend jean. Then shoes are off-white. This little sweater I've also had forever is from, I want to say, Brandy Melville. It's a really good basic, actually. I love this sweater. And I'm wearing this little beanie that's from Kith. And yeah, that's the outfit. Oh, I'm also forgetting all my jewelry right now. I just took it off because I showered. That's why I feel so weird right now. But anyways, we're gonna go to the Grove, hopefully get some shopping done there, and find everyone gifts. So I will see you guys there. Wait, these are really cute. You guys can't really tell over camera. They look more orange, but they're like this cherry red. I'm gonna try these. This is how the first pair of leggings look. Do we like these?
Do you like them?
No, but what do you think? I think I like them. I don't have a pair of red leggings. Okay, the girls at Aloe are so sweet and they gave Nobu some water. That's so sweet. Okay, so this is the next thing I'm trying on.
It's aubergine.
What is it? Aubergine?
It's like an eggplant.
I think it's
It means eggplant in
cute.
French.
This or the red?
This.
Comment down below.
Oh, the red is cute.
We got the goods. Okay, we just got home and we picked up Thai food on our way. This looks so good. It's from this restaurant called The Thai Thing. And if you guys haven't tried it and you live in LA, it's so good. These noodles are the best. I'm gonna put the name on the screen right here because I know I'm gonna butcher it, but they're bomb. Also, these egg rolls are so good. But yeah, this all looks amazing. I'm gonna go eat now. I'm starving. Bye. Okay, I just quickly finished editing this video and I wanted to come on here and make a little outro for you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this little weekly vlog. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. As soon as I post this video tomorrow, so Tuesday, I'm gonna just start a new weekly vlog for you guys, and then I'll film Christmas and Christmas Eve and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that, but I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Okay, I'm gonna try and bring Nobu in the car without him freaking out. He hates the car. Okay, don't freak.
Stop, it's okay. So he's scared when his ears go back. It's not funny, poor
baby. Such a nugget. Wait, Dad, let's see the mask situation and the hat. Wow. Where do your kids go to school again?
Indiana.
Go Hoosiers, baby. We got our masks. My mom and I just had the best gift idea for my dad. High five. No, but do you like it? Oh, no, that's the tag. No, that is not for you. Say cheese.
So mean. Oh, my knee. That I feel bad for all the people on the East Coast with all the snow. And we're blessed with all of this beautiful sunshine.
Look at this great weather. Okay, we just finished the workout.
Look at that.
My dad is not next to me helping me.
Ever.
Yeah. My dad helps me do everything.